In this video, I want to talk about my driving anxiety. So, my ADHD and ASD struggles, oh my god, when I think about all that, it is not so easy for me to talk about all this, but now I'm like that feeling that confidence that I'm able to talk about all those struggles with an ease. So before we move on, please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. It means a lot to me. And yeah, so let's move on. So about my driving anxiety before I started my inner child integration work, the way I used to drive, I started learning to drive from in 2000 around 2009, and it was a nightmare. I just couldn't understand like how people manage everything at once. And I'm seeing a lot of neurodivergent, they don't have these issues. So usually, because I was born with both ADHD and ASD, my issues got magnified, I would say. So learning anything is itself used to drain me out. Forget about practicing. The process of just doing it for once used to exhaust me. There was no question of doing it again. And this is what I think most of us can relate to it, that learning itself is very challenging. So practicing again and again, that is the most challenging part, being a neurodivergent. So yeah, somehow I just managed to learn, and I don't know, like somehow I managed to get my license, and then I started driving. But that anxiety, every single time I used to look into the rear view mirror, I used to look into the back mirror, and then managing everything, it used to drive me crazy, literally drive me crazy, because my brain, while driving also, it used to just overthink, and it used to think all the worst case scenarios. And I used to drive in a very haphazard, sometimes impulsive way. Managing and coordinating the GPS itself used to be very tiring for me. And then forget about remembering the roads and directions. I used to just focus on the GPS and go and come back. And this was like after practicing driving for almost 5 to 6 years. I was still at the same point. Like I used to feel like every single time I'm driving, I come back home and feeling exhausted just because I went for the grocery shopping. So this was a thing that I used to always say, that instead of going out, it's better I'll stay at home, because I knew that it's going to drain me out. And on the road also, like everyone used to just overpass me, and I would never had on the highway. I used to feel very scared, and that the thought used to be like something is going to happen to me. And this was a very real thought for me every single time I used to drive, and I used to get this, which itself was telling that I was functioning with anxiety. I was functioning with anxiety. Again, medications do not make this anxiety go away. Like, no, medications do not work on your anxiety. Medications do not work on your inner resilience. Medications do not work on you calming down from inside. That is a different thing, and you have to learn all those tools and techniques and learn everything, how your inner child feels safe. So yeah, I mean, that was where I was into all those struggles. And then driving was the thing that used to exhaust me, and I used to procrastinate going anywhere because of my driving fear. And it was going on like that. But from last year, as I said, I started my inner child integration work, inner child integration journey. And the changes, they are transformational. Now, I won't say that I become a very fully functional driver, but I drive safely, I drive without anxiety, and I drive without getting drained and anxious. And the people who have, because mine ADHD was inattentive one, that is why it used to drain me more, and I used to just, because it is inattentive ADHD is all about forgetfulness, overthinking, loss of being in present moment, and all those issues magnified. But when someone is hyper focused, then they get very focused into driving, but it also makes them impulsive. But again, whichever your ADHD type is, healing integration works the same way, because it will start bringing lowering down the anxiety. It starts working on our emotional resilience. It starts working on our heightened sensitivity and heightened anxiety, and all those inner fears which we see from a magnified lens in our ADHD and ASD brain. So those, when those fears starts coming down, so it's all about inside job. It is, everything is like inner child integration is all about working on your core, your being, your nervous system, and that reflects in every aspect of your being. And able to manage my driving gracefully is one of the biggest win of my life, and I'm very happy. So yeah, I mean, I would, that's why I say that every neurodivergent struggle is asking us to look into something within and understand the deeper aspect of our reality, and you won't regret it. You will never regret it if you do it right. If you know how to do it right, you will not regret it. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for listening to me. It means a lot to me. Please do like, subscribe, and share my channel. It's heaps of help, and we have to build awareness on this beautiful work, which will start transforming the life of every neurodivergent person the way it transformed my life. Thank you so much. Bye.